Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Vietnam!
It is day 4. We're finally getting the basin in. After all the headaches we went through, they're finally gone. Let me take you and show you what we're doing now to put the basin together. This is basically our configuration of our basin, but what's more important is what Derek is doing right now. You can actually see right now we've got zip ties. We're actually taking and zip tying our aquablocks to keep those nice and tight, so that way when we put them in our basin, basically because our hole is over dug because it used to be a pond, we want to keep everything nice and tight. So if we can get this nice and tight, get our basin in, we go to backfill, we are going to have a nice solid basin. So we are getting this going to put into that hole, and we're going to finally get a basin done today. I will let you guys go so we can get some work done. Alright, let's walk over to the basin. We're finally backfilling the base after 4 days of being behind because of a pipe. So you can see we got Chris on the excavator, and what we're doing is we're actually going to we got some soil on this side, and then we're going to work our way on this side. That way we trap this basin, that way when he puts everything here, it doesn't move and shift this basin this way. We've got our underlayment and our liner all wrapped up in here. And you can see this actually used to be the size of the pond. And now this is gonna be the size of our basin for our Pondless Waterfall. Also, what we did was all of our aquablocks underneath there. You saw we actually took and we zip tied basically 2 blocks together. Once we got all the aquablocks in our pit, we actually zip tied them all together. That way it stays really nice and tight. That way when we start backfilling around here, these aquablocks aren't going to start moving from back and forth and side to side. We got our drainage pipes in here. And we tell you, we let this sit purposely overnight last night because it was still kind of mushy after we put our gravel in there, but we came back this morning and everything was solid, and that's what we want to see. We want to have a nice, solid, stable base. All of our drainage is coming down here. You can see we've got all this backfilled, and that pipe comes all the way this way, so we're getting all this drainage away from our basin, and this starts actually our creek. So we're gonna get this cleaned up over here. This starts our creek, but you can actually see water movement even from underneath here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there is a lot of water movement in there, and everything is coming from under in these pipes. We actually had extra piping, so we ran actually 3 pipes, so we have extra drainage. We had the pipes, might as well use them. So we're gonna get this basin backfilled and finally start building waterfalls next. I'll keep you guys posted as we go along in this project. It's been great so far. Again, greatly appreciate all the help Chris and his guys from Aquascapes Michiana has done for me. Excellent crew. Anybody needs anything, any help, they're the guys to call. Definitely appreciate their help on this one. And until next time, until the next update, we'll see you in a minute.